Hi, Fiji is an exotic tourist destination. It's a bit far. It's deep into South Pacific Ocean. It's close to Australia and New Zealand. In fact, further to Australia and New Zealand, it takes almost 2 days from India if you want to go from India, because I usually go there once or twice a year. I have to go there. Uh, from Hong Kong, it takes 10 hours flight to Nadi, which is their international airport, and from there you have to catch another small flight, ATR, to Nassau Airport, which takes 20 minutes to 30 minutes, or you have to take in taxi, which takes 4 hours to their capital, Suva. But this is a most sought after tourist destination, very exotic. All the Hollywood stars go there, Australian businessmen go there. It's a very advanced country, and I would say it's heaven. I mean, it's better than Kashmir if you go there. It's better than Kerala. It's really, really exotic, and my interest is not only into big buildings and malls and all that. That is there. Apart from that, we would prefer to go to countryside, which is tribal areas. Their real beauty is there, real culture you can find there in the tribal areas or rural areas. So we went this time. We went to Nauva River Trail, which this river comes from the tribal areas of Fiji. So we went upstream and we explored some areas. We traveled with the villagers. So let's see how exotic it was. Thank you.
और आप जो यहाँ सामने आइलैंड देख रहे हैं, ये होटल के बाहर दो आइलैंड हैं, एक ये है और एक ये है। इसको स्नेक आइलैंड बोलते हैं, हालांकि इसमें स्नेक्स नहीं है। और ये वाला जो आइलैंड है, इसको मस्कीटो आइलैंड बोलते हैं। यहाँ के लोकल नेम्स हैं, उन्होंने दिए हुए हैं। दिस प्लेस इज़ कॉल्ड लामी बे, जिस एरिया में ये होटल है। और यहाँ से हाई सीज बहुत दूर है, अगर आप देख रहे हो वहाँ पे आपको वेव्स दिखेंगी। एंड दैट एरिया इज़ फेमस फॉर सर्फिंग। अगर अभी भी आप देख रहे होंगे तो बहुत सारे वेव्स आपको वहाँ दिख रही होंगी, अगर इसमें आ रहा होगा तो। और हर साल यहाँ सर्फिंग कंपटीशन होता है। बहुत दूर दूर से, दुनिया के हर कोने से लोग आते हैं, अमेरिकन स्पेशली। This area is known for surfing. Particularly this part of Fiji. This is my hotel. Nice sitting area. Driving now. That's good, sir.
Jay, there's one Indian guy staying in the front.
Where?
His house is in the front.
Okay. इसका ट्रेन जो छूट गया ना सर, गाड़ी ओके।
So we'll take one. We'll leave this in.
Huh? No, we'll take it.
They go in the next houses.
Pardon me?
I said they've got houses, good houses.
Yeah. If in India this much of land is there, there will be cultivation and I think this is not cultivable land.
No, I don't think so.
There they'll make it cultivable.
Yeah. And this village too, they've got so many land. I don't know how come they never make use of it. Some of them are just too lazy.
Mr. Anirban, can you tell us where we are going?
We are headed towards river trail of Nawa. It's I think 1.5 hours boat ride there
Upstream?
upstream, and let's see how much fun we have. Apparently there's a waterfall there where we love to see, and there's a bamboo raft ride, and there is a local customary welcome that's awaiting us. So let's see how much fun we have.
Oh, great. I heard Anaconda 2 was shot here. It was filmed here.
I believe so. Let's see. We see the place but don't see the snakes.
What is so special about this province?
It's beautiful.
That's
It's the most beautiful province in Fiji.
really?
Yes. It's one of the famous tourist destination in Fiji.
Right. And do you grow some vegetables here?
Yes, we do grow vegetables here.
So will we get some vegetarian food here?
Hopefully we will.
Okay, that's my question every time. Mr. Roy, will you write about it in Wall Street Journal?
Unlikely.
Unlikely. Will you please make a movie?
That we should.
Yeah. And this is our second selfie interview.
Second.
Second. Hopefully we'll get a better one under the waterfall.
Yep,
Yeah.
we should.
Bye bye. Hello. We are near the waterfall by Nava River. Eva, what is the scope for adventure sports in tourism in Fiji? Is it too big, or still there are some areas where we need to explore?
Well, I cannot say it's big. Adventure tourism is big here in Fiji because it's still developing. As you have seen in your boat ride up the Nampo River, that yes, it's still developing. We have some stuff, but there are other places that we need to explore. Yeah, and I think the tourism industry and tourism operators are working on that.
Apart from water sports, what else is there in Fiji?
Yeah. We have zip lining. We have mud pool, if that counts, and there's also cruise where you go to islands, and particularly Cloud9. That's a very popular spot for tourists and locals here in Fiji. So yeah.
Any flying sports? I mean to say paragliding, parasailing, etc.
Yes, there is. Okay. Yes, there is here in Fiji.
Okay. And trekking and hiking, how big it is?
Trekking is really big here in Fiji. We have a lot of very popular trekking places. We have the Bolisuma Forest Park. We have Korombamba and the Nausori Highland. Western Division, there's a lot of trekking places.
And off-roading, how big off-roading is in Fiji? Off-roading. Off-roading, jeep safari.
Yeah, it's quite big here.
Okay. And what tourism ministry is doing to develop adventure sports in Fiji?
There investing a lot in developing adventure sports here in Fiji. They're not only focused on hotels and big resorts, they're also investing in medium and small tourism operators, ecotourism. They're also investing in that. So yeah, government has placed a lot of emphasis on adventure sports and other tourist activities.
How do you compare Fiji, especially this trade, Fiji versus Amazon River, Amazon Basin? Which one is better?
Well, I haven't been to the Amazon, but Fiji is perfect. I would not exchange Fiji for anywhere else in the world.
Thank you.